Make a magic ring and then 10 single crochet into the ring. Make a chain first and then single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tie the rope. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Make 3 chains. Then 6 incomplete double crochet into same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the yarn into all the loops. Make 3 chains. Slip stitch into the next chain. We have 1 petal. Repeat 5 times. Use light color for the flower center. Make a ring and then 5 incomplete double crochet into the ring. Make 3 chains first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull the yarn into all the loops. Make 3 chains. Slip stitch into the ring. Also, use light color for clip base. Make 19 chains. The circle is the first chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Skip the first chain. 1 single crochet into the second chain. 1 single crochet into each chain after until the circle left. Three single crochet into the circle. In the other side, 1 single crochet into each stitch until the last stitch left. Two single crochet into last stitch.